just going to keep going along here, trying the examples. This one, I don't have it solved for 0, so that's the first thing I need to do. Okay, now let's see if I have any greatest common factors. I don't in this case, and my lead coefficient is 5, so I have to use the AC method, which AC would be 5 times 12, or 60, and B equals 32. So two factors that will multiply to get me 60 but add to get me negative 32 would be negative 2 times negative 3, 30. Go ahead and writing that out. And factor by grouping. Setting it back equal to 0. Now I'll set both factors equal to 0. And we'll solve. So x equals 6 and 5x equals 2. So x equals 5 halves. There are my two solutions. All right, our next problem. We have it solved for 0. Okay, and we're going to factor out our greatest common factor, which would be a 2. Now, this is a perfect square. Set our two factors equal to 0 and solve. X has to equal negative 10 and x has to equal 10. I hope you're catching on here to what we're doing. We're just combining everything we've done so far, and add solving. Okay, next, 9x minus 25 equals 0. Again, this is a difference of squares. So I'll have 3x minus 5 times 3x plus 5. Set my term equal to 0. Solve. Here are my two solutions. Running right down the line. What's my greatest common factor here? An x. So x equals 0 and x minus 3 equals 0. X equals 3, or x equals 0. Try one more here. This is a trinomial. Let's factor out a negative 1. Now my lead coefficient is 1. So two terms that multiply to get me 12 but add to get me negative 8 would be 6 and 2. Both negative. Set the two terms equal to 0. X equals 2, x equals 6.